Hey there, fitness enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exhilarating challenge that will put your body to the test. Get ready for our 5-day bodyweight workout challenge. No equipment is needed. I guarantee this challenge will push your limits and help you achieve those fitness goals you've been dreaming of. So let's dive right in and get started. All right, it's day 1 of the challenge, and today we're going to target your entire body with this full-body blast workout. No equipment is required. We'll be focusing on explosive movements that will increase your heart rate and help you burn calories like never before. Are you ready? Let's crush it. First off, we have jumping squats to engage your lower body muscles and ignite your fat-burning furnace. Then, we'll move on to push-ups, intensifying your upper body strength and sculpting those sexy arms. And how about some mountain climbers to challenge your core stability? You'll feel the burn, trust me. Finish off with some burpees for an all-out metabolic booster. Woo! That's just the beginning. Welcome to day 2, folks. It's time to focus on that rock-solid core of yours. No equipment is needed, just pure bodyweight exercises to tighten those abs and build that core strength. Let's get ready to feel that burn and chisel those abs. Let's kick off with bicycle crunches, an absolute favorite for burning those pesky love handles. Follow that up with plank variations to not only develop a strong core, but also work your arms and shoulders. Time for some leg raises to target those lower abs, and finish strong with Russian twists for the obliques. Phew, you'll feel this one tomorrow. Welcome to day 3, my friends. Today we're going to torch those extra calories with a high-intensity cardio workout. Get ready to sweat your way to a fitter you. No equipment is needed, just commitment and determination. Let's rev up that heart rate. Start with a set of jumping jacks to warm up those muscles and get your blood pumping. Then we have high knees to really take your cardio game up a notch. Get those legs moving. Are you ready for some plyometric lunges and squat jumps? These explosive exercises will push your limits and sculpt your lower body. Finish strong with some fast-paced mountain climbers and power burpees, and you'll feel those endorphins soaring. We're on day 4, people. It's time to sculpt those upper body muscles and get those beach-ready arms. No equipment is needed, just your sheer determination and a burning desire for results. Let's get that upper body toned and defined. We'll start with some classic push-ups to engage your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Looking to develop those biceps? Grab a chair or ledge for dips and build those guns. And how about some diamond push-ups for those triceps? Finally, let's wrap it up with some pike push-ups to challenge your shoulders. Your upper body will thank you later. Day 5, everyone. Congratulations on making it this far. Today we're going to hit the lower body hard and sculpt those lean and strong legs. Once again, no equipment is needed, just your sheer willpower and dedication. Let's crush those leg muscles. We'll start with lunges to tone those legs and shape those glutes. Then, let's take it up a notch with squat variations, focusing on your quads, hamstrings, and glutes. Oh, and don't forget about those calf muscles. Finish strong with some explosive jump squats and your legs will be begging for mercy. You did it, my friend. Congratulations! You completed our 5-day bodyweight workout challenge, no equipment needed. Your dedication and hard work will undoubtedly yield incredible results. Fitness is a journey, so never stop challenging yourself. Stay tuned for more exciting workout challenges, tips, and tricks right here on our channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you conquered this challenge like a true champion. Until next time, stay fit and keep pushing forward. See ya!